Paratha recipe Indian flatbread. Crispy flaky paratha is the perfect side to serve with dals and curries. This traditional Indian flatbread is unleavened and is filled with tender and crisp layers. Try my classic plain paratha recipe with step-by-step photos to make a batch for enjoying with your favorite plain paratha. Table of contents about this recipe: how to make parathas, stepwise photos, tips plus fact. Recipe card about this recipe: parathas are simple flat breads that are made with whole wheat or atta flour and just a few other simple ingredients. A soft dough is prepared by hand, formed and flattened and then folded several times to create lots of flaky layers. They are the roasted to perfection and served warm with a variety of Indian dishes. Pains paratha like the ones made with this recipe and lacha paratha are staples of Indian cuisine. In fact, they are made and enjoyed in nearly every household and restaurant. My latest video, if you want a video, you go to the YouTube and check my video. There are also stuffed parathas like aloo paratha, gobi paratha, mooli paratha and paneer paratha, which I make often. However, this class paratha recipe is by far my favorite. It's my go-to side for whenever I am making rich gravy dishes like paneer butter masala, chana masala, dal makhani or shahi paneer. The crunchily fried exterior and layered interior are great for scooping up these and nearly any other saucy or stew like mains. They are also terrific to eat by themselves or with a cup of tea, and I love to snack on paratha with mango pickle or other condiments like a fruit jam. Here I share with you two different but equally effective methods for rolling and shaping the paratha. First, triangle form, second, square form. Choose whichever version looks most appealing to you. How to make paratha? First, kneading dough. 1 in a large mixing bowl and 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee, half teaspoon of salt. Add half cup water in portions as you go on mixing and kneading the dough. Keep in mind not to add all of the water at once.